And it has like these little things under the booty. Just to give you like a little, you know what I'm saying?
Listen long enough, you can love me.
Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. Today we're doing something different. We are doing a workout vlog. Today is Monday, November 29th, the weekend after Thanksgiving. Today's the perfect day for a workout vlog because even last night I was eating dressing, I was eating turkey. I wanted to show y'all my workout routine. Remember we talked about in my last life update video why I quit my job. A lot of things have changed in my life, and one of those things, girl, is I lost about 20 pounds. 10 to 12 pounds of those has something to do with my diet, my workout routine, all of that. And I want to show y'all what I've been doing. First of all, shout out to my new little outfit. Hello girl, it's from Amazon. She's super cute. Got it, I got it from Amazon. I feel like one of the most important parts of working out is feeling good while you're working out. Well, for me, I need to feel good while I work out. Speaking of that, we're about to put on a wig. I'm gonna wear a headband wig. Let me actually grab one from my little workout closet, from my little wig closet. Hold on, bro. Okay, so this is, I felt like wearing a headband wig would be the most appropriate, you know? Plus it's the easiest thing to throw on. Sometimes I go to the gym in a little ponytail, and sometimes I'll throw on a headband wig if I'm trying to be cute. Of course, the wig grip goes everywhere with me. Everywhere, even to the gym, girl. I'm gonna throw on this wig grip. My hair is pulled back in a teeny tiny deer ponytail. I sometimes will do a wig cap. Do I need a wig cap today? I don't feel like it. I don't need a wig cap. That's gonna make everything extra hot. This wig is from, who gave me this wig? I'll leave it somewhere down below because I don't know where this wig is from. This wig does come with combs, but y'all know I don't play with combs. We don't play with combs. And the wig grip to me is the best way to wear a wig without having to, your hair, well, compromise my hair, because y'all may have thick hair, but I just don't. So, boom, girl, we ready for the gym. So let's brush down some baby hairs just to close up this forehead. Make it look like I got some hair up there. I feel like I look cute. I love this wig. This is a lot of hair for a workout. So I don't know if I'm doing too much, but we have a hair tie. So we're ready. We're ready for what the gym is gonna bring to us. I feel like a baddie girl. Now let's go ahead and make our pre-workout. This is the cup I always use. This is it's my little portion cup. This is a thermal cup, and inside of my tea drawer I have different types of teas, but my favorite tea for pre-workout is the Awake English black tea. I can also use this black cask bourbon, but literally it tastes like bacon and black tea, like smoked bacon. Like that's what this tea tastes like. So I'm gonna grab 2 of these Awake breakfast black tea. I'll take 2 of those, 2 tea bags. That's what she said. I'll take 2 tea bags, and then we're just gonna plop them inside of here. Now I think if I am sensitive to caffeine, so black tea works for me. I think you also can use coffee, but I like to use black tea because it gives me like that energy boost without giving me the shakes. I'm not trying to be sweating and shaking in the gym. And then I like to add vegan protein milk to my tea once it heats up. So the vegan protein milks that I really like are Ripple and Silk. It's packed with protein and nutrients, so you're able to work out. For me, it gives me a bit of energy, and it tastes good. Okay, it's ready. Y'all don't talk about my teapot like y'all talking about Robin's teapot. Don't talk about my teapot. I need to clean my teapot. Don't look at my teapot. Oh, greasy teapot. Okay, so I'm just gonna pour Then I add my milk. So the milk I like to use is the Ripple chocolate milk, or I like to use a Ripple vanilla sweetened. Unsweetened. It's pretty good. It's not that bad, but I like a little bit of something. So it tastes a little bit like really bland hot chocolate when you use a chocolate milk. And this may be TMI, but the digestion, okay, you get smooth moves, okay? So we're gonna wait for this to steep, and then I'll add the milk, then we'll sip it up.
She told that girl to sing acapella. She said, listen, I don't want to sing, I sing a gospel. She was like, no, sing dry back. Sing, give us 4, 5 bars, okay? That's all.
Okay, so I'm squeezing out the tea bags. Boom. And we're gonna add the chocolate. I feel like chocolate milk today. So we're gonna add chocolate. Ooh. See, this is what it looks like. It almost looks like coffee. So I just drink this down. Okay, so I drank my tea, but I wanna go ahead and show y'all my outfit. This outfit is so cute. It's from Amazon. I'll leave a link for it down below. So this was a set. So it just came with the pants and the jacket. Now the top came from another set that I got from Amazon, like an all black set. So this didn't come with it, but the bottoms did. So these are the bottom. Look how cute. And it has like these little things under the booty, just to give you like a little, you know what I'm saying? This is a jacket. It has like the thumb holes, and it's a little crop jacket with the pants. It looks like in the back. Look at that. It's really thick, and it has like this texture on it, and it holds you, like this waist is being like sucked in, like sucked in. So this is what we're looking like. And for shoes, I'm wearing some Adidas Cloud Foam. Ugh, why am I doing this? I'm wearing my Adidas Cloud Foam. Can y'all see them? Shoes. Tennis shoes. So we're going to be working out with a new Amazon product. Now I'm telling y'all, I used to work out with these weights on my waist, but now I'm going to be working out with weights on my shoulders. The ones on my waist were like leg weights that I could find, girl. But I bought a weighted vest. Oh my God. I'm telling you, it is super intense. It'll be an intense workout. It's perfect for those of you that don't want to go to the gym, but you want to do simple workouts at home. So let me show you what the vest looks like. Girl, this thing is heavy. So mine is 16 pounds. I think you can get it like 5, 10 pounds, but this is what oh, it's like having a baby on your shoulders. This is what it looks like. This is what we're going to be wearing today for our workout to increase the intensity and build muscle and tone up the body. So I'll meet you. We're on our way to the gym. Finally, girl, it took me forever to get out of the house. It always takes me forever to get out of the house because that tea, girl. So we're headed to the gym now. I do want to say that I lost more inches in my waist than I did for the other parts of my body. And what I realized was that a lot of my bloating and digestive issues came from stress and how I ate, the food that I was eating, high sodium foods and stuff like that. I have eliminated a lot of stress out of my life, girl, because I already quit my job, which is a luxury that most of us don't have. I couldn't quit my job until I was able to quit my job. So I don't want to make it seem like working out is like the end all be all, because it's not. For me, stress was a huge reason why I was holding toxins in my waist. Workouts that we'll be doing today are on top of diet. And for me, adding tea in the morning, adding peace in a routine in the morning has added a huge benefit to my digestion. I went from like 29 inches around my waist to now I'm like 25 and a half, 26. And around my hips and butt, I went from like 41 and a half inches around the butt to 40. How many inches am I around the butt now? I think right now I'm like 39 to 40. So I only lost 1 inch around the butt and hips. I wouldn't say hips, just around the butt, because girl, I ain't got no hips. A lot of that was how I changed my diet and adding workouts, because I only work out twice a week. I don't work out 3-4 times a week. I work out twice a week. Most of this is diet. I will be doing what I eat in a day. Everybody doesn't have, my body doesn't respond to the same things yours does. If I eat meat, I block up. Can't eat a lot of meat. So I have mostly a plant-based diet, so I'm able to digest food. Girl, this lighting is not giving. So now we're at the gym. Y'all tell me what you do down below to get yourself motivated for a workout, and if you do have digestive issues, what has worked for you? Girl, this light. Yeah, girl, let's go ahead and throw in this ponytail holder, because this wig has been getting on my nerves. I ain't gonna lie with y'all. This wig has been getting on my nerves. It's way too long and hairy, girl. My lace cap may be sticking out, but whose business is that? Nobody's. Did I bring a mask? Oh no. Yes, I did. Come on, be responsible. Mask on. Hey friends, now we're at the gym, and I'm gonna throw on this weighted vest that I told you about from Amazon. I'm putting it on before the workout. So the workout we're doing today is basically a warm-up. It's a warm-up that I always do on the Stairmaster, and I like to add weights to increase the intensity. This weighted vest is 16 pounds, so she is heavy boots, and I also like to add a resistance band to the legs. She's giving lasagna. She's all wrinkly on the ends, but I use her a lot, and I'm telling you, it makes the workout super intense and builds the glutes. Now we're gonna go ahead and jump on the Stairmaster and choose our workout. So when I'm choosing my workout on the Stairmaster machine, I will start by go to workouts, calories. I'll choose my calorie goal, which is 50 calories, because you go higher than that, girl, you can be doing it such a long time. I don't want to pass out. And I think I will go to, I think that's intervals. So I do the interval workout, then you press enter, and I select my weight. My weight is 26 pounds, but I always select 140 because that's how much weight I'm carrying on my back. So I try and account for that. Now I do this on the Stairmaster, but you also can do this on your stairs at home or your stairs in your complex, all of that stuff. But I like to do it on the Stairmaster. Now on the interval set on the Stairmaster, it goes from level 5 to level 9. While it's on level 5, I'll do the side kicks just to get those hips worked out. And then when it goes up to level 9, I'll skip a step and step up. Skip a step, skip a step. That adds a lot of intensity to the workout and just creates versatility. Girl, I don't know. These workouts I've been doing for years, and I feel like it works out all areas of my glutes, and it tones me up. Once it goes back down to level 5, I will do a low squat walk, almost like a crab walk. And I feel like it works with the gluteus medius, hip abductors, and the glutes. So it kind of rounds it out. I'm looking for a more round booty. And then once it goes back to level 9, we're skipping a step and kicking backwards. So we have 4 workouts that we do. So we're keeping the body moving and keeping the body guessing. So you can follow along with this workout. You can take some ideas from this workout. Girl, I was about to cough. But this is one of my favorite workouts, and it's one of the most effective for a warm-up. So I'm just going to speed up through this one. You can rewatch this video, or you can work out with me. But remember that you're just doing single steps, sideways walking on each side, skipping a step, and then crab walking. And then I do skip a step kickbacks. And then we keep doing that rotation of workouts until the workout is complete. Y'all tell me what your favorite Stairmaster or stair workouts are below, because I am looking for new ones because I've been doing this one for years, but it really does work my glutes and creates that roundness that I like. You know, I want a little round rotund booty. I'm trying to get it back, girl. So we're all done, and now we can leave the gym. That 5 minutes had me tuckered out. You hear me? Oh my God. Whew, we did it, girl. That was 5 minutes of an intense workout. I didn't expect, because usually I do a full workout. Didn't expect it to be this intense. Girl, I am tired. What did I do with my keys? I am exhausted. Girl, just a little crank. Knocked the little camera over, girl. That was an easy 5 minutes. So you can either do that workout on stairs, or you can do it on, you can do that workout on stairs, or you can do it on the Stairmaster. If you have stairs in your home, stairs in your neighborhood, stairs in your complex, you can do that workout. We're back home. We're back in the office. I'm about to edit this video. I gotta pop out this Invisalign. I'm about to have my smoothie. I know y'all don't want to see that spittle. Pop my Invisalign out, and I'm about to drink my post-workout smoothie. So within about 30 to 45 minutes, 15 to 30 minutes of my workout, I make sure I have my post-protein smoothie. I think for what I eat in a day video, I'm going to add my recipe for this. I love my post-workout smoothie. It fills me up for the morning, and then within 2 to 3 hours, I'm hungry again to eat. I'm hungry, and then I can eat lunch without feeling like I overstuff myself and it's oily and stuff like that. So we also have my extra crispy, my extra crispy piece of turkey bacon. I hope you enjoyed the workout video. I will be announcing the winner of the wig giveaway in my next vlog. So I'll see you in my next vlog. I'm covering my mouth like the BBL girls. Thank y'all so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed working out with me. I'll be doing more workout with me videos with different workouts that have been effective for my transformation and weight loss. So I love you all so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.